how to do a break that goes with time steps with stamp and pick up. Whether you do single, double or triple time steps with stamp and pick up, this one break is the same for all of them. So we begin always with the right foot, which is why we do the time steps twice before a break, or 4 times or more, but normally twice. We do a stamp forward with the right foot, pick up, hop, shuffle, step going backwards, and your shuffle will go out to the side. Hop, shuffle, step back. Pick up, hop, shuffle, step backwards on the left foot. Pick up, hop, shuffle, step. Pick up, hop again, but this time as you hop, you will put the foot under the knee. Pick up, hop, tap, step will change forwards. Tap, step, back, front. So yes, this break travels backwards. Let's try again. So right foot break, stamp forward, pick up, hop, shuffle, step. Remember the shuffle's going to the side. Hop, shuffle, step back. Pick up, hop, shuffle, step back. Pick up, hop, shuffle, step. Pick up, hop, taking the foot under the knee. Pick up, hop, forward, tap, step will change. Tap, step, back, front. Let's do the break with the left foot now. So we do stamp, forward, pick up, hop, shuffle, step, hop, shuffle, step, pick up, hop, shuffle, step, pick up, hop, shuffle, step, pick up, hop, taking it under the knee, pick up, hop, tap, step, back, front. Right foot, stamp, pick up, hop, shuffle, step, pick up, hop, shuffle, step, pick up, hop, tap, step, will change. Do you see I've now got my left foot free? So I could do the break again on the left foot. You don't always do that, but sometimes you can. You can make any amalgamation of breaks and time steps, and you can mix the breaks and time steps. So left foot, stamp forward, pick up, hop, shuffle, step, pick up, hop, shuffle, step, pick up, hop, tap, step, back, front. Let's do that break fast now. And stamp, pick up, hop, shuffle, step, pick up, hop, shuffle, step, pick up, hop, tap, step, and change. And faster still. And again fast, and. In my next video, I'm going to show you all 3 of these time steps again. The time steps with stamp and pick-ups, the single, the double and the triple, with the breaks joined onto them at the end. I will do some of those as fast practice, so you can copy along with those if you're getting faster. Good luck. Don't forget to subscribe. Please put a comment below so I've got some idea of what you're looking to learn next, and then I will make the videos for you if you leave me a comment. See you next week. Goodbye.